One aspect of the program is an electronic link between the shop and the dealership called OE Connection. This is how we transmit orders from the shop to the dealership. This saves a lot of additional phone calls and faxes and allows us to see the complete estimate, including aftermarket parts or used parts that you might not have been seeing on the fax estimates that you deal with. This has really helped us increase our accuracy, and it interfaces with the body shop's management system so they can transmit an estimate to us seamlessly and mistake-free.
The use of CollisionLink has made our relationship with the dealer tighter. There's much more communication between the dealership and myself and our parts department. Using OEM parts through CollisionLink makes us more profitable, gives us a higher customer satisfaction rating. It just makes our job easier as a repair shop. On repairs that specify aftermarket parts, we are able to send our parts department through CollisionLink our parts order, request for quote an OEM part to replace that aftermarket part, and at that point in time the parts department has a chance to give us a quote on an OEM part, and most times we end up using an OEM part. We use CollisionLink with all of our vendors that belong to OE Connect and CollisionLink, not just VW. It makes the parts ordering process easier, much smoother. Definitely lower our cycle time by using OEM parts. Makes the job smoother. The job turns out better in the end. Just everything about it is better. CollisionLink takes approximately 20 minutes to install and probably no more than an hour to be trained on. After we were trained, I can train anybody in our store with a minimum amount of time.
Order comes in, and at the very top of an order, once you open it up, it will have the opportunities for the conversion, and you can put your pricing in there. It'll give the pricing on the estimate. You can put it in. It'll tell you immediately what the payback is going to be, and you can make your decision as to whether it's a piece that you can convert for them. What we'll do a lot of times to facilitate it is give them a call, say, hey, on these pieces that we're trying to convert, here's the pricing that we can do on it, and that way they can make an immediate decision, yes or no, and we can proceed with the order.
OE Connection is the electronic path for submitting and orders. The way it works is it is integrated with Eddie's shop software and will transmit the full estimate, including all components, to my shop. We will go through the order, verify the part numbers, and transmit back to him all this without a phone or a fax. If there's a part on back order, we will communicate it that way. If there's an aftermarket part that I'm competing with, we can bid on it at that time. Basically, the entire parts transaction can occur in a total circle via that software.